Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rapid Hacek latest video. I'm your technical friend come guide Yash, whose aim is to help you stay protected and knowledgeable regarding online issues. Today, we're going to discuss why and how you can use the two-factor authentication on 4 of the major email services out there in the world. In today's times, cybersecurity is something that must be taken very seriously if you want to stay safe online. By enabling the 2FA, you can keep cybercriminals at bay and reduce the chances of account breach, which can have some serious consequences if at all that happens. So, in order to stay protected, you can enable the two-step verification system that works as an extra layer of protection for your accounts, wherein the first challenge for anyone trying to hack into your account is to recognize the password, which by the way, is not that difficult for cyber attackers. The next challenge comes in the form of second layer of protection, which is used to verify the legitimate identifier of the account owner by tapping on a push icon or push notification, entering on OTP shared via email, text message, phone call, or any other channels. All the major email services give you the option to enable the security system, and that is why we are going to show you today. Keep watching this video till the end to know how you can enable the two-step verification system on Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Microsoft Outlook, and Zoho Mail. Now, let's securing your accounts.
So to turn on the two-step verification in Google account, first of all you need to open the browser and sign in on Google account. But as you already see, I already signed in here. I need to click on the picture and go to manage your Google account. There's a new window up here on your browser. I click on the security, this option, and as you already see, I have no two-step verification enabled on this email account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on, click on it, get started. It shows me add an extra layer of your security. Confirm my password once again, and once it is done, it shows me all the devices connected with this email address. As you already see, these devices can get the prompt message of yes or no or whatever there's any suspicious or unsuspicious activities present on this email address. But I need to click on continue at the bottom, and this is my phone number that I had with me, and I need to turn it on with using this phone number. So you can enter your phone number that you have in your hands or in your mobile device, okay, and you just click on the send one. So once you send it up there, Google has just sent you a verification code of 6 digits, what you need to enter here. Like, I got the message, and once I click on next, my code has been verified and I need to turn it on. Once I turn it on, it shows me a successful message on my email. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my Gmail, and there you go. As you can see, it is written here, two-step verification turned on. So this is an email just came from the Google to verify that yes, this account has turned on his verification, the two-step verification. It is an extra layer to protect your particular account from hackers, cybersecurity attacks, and so on. So like this way you can turn on and enable your 2FA in your Google account. So if you wanted to turn on your 2FA authentication on your Yahoo account, then you need to open the browser, the Chrome one, Edge one, or whatever you're using. You need to open your Yahoo account by clicking on yahoo.com. You need to sign over there, as I already signed in. And this is my mail option. I need to click on my picture and go to the account info. It shows me a new screen pop up on right side of my browser screen. I need to click on the account security, and there are few options appear here, and there is an option below the password, two-step verification, as I already turned it off. So I click on turn on 2SV. I click it on, click on the get started, and enter the phone number. So these are the two numbers I had, and what I just want a particular number, or if you have some another one, then you can just click on here and you can add some another number also. But I already wanted to just enable the 2FA on this particular account, so I need to choose a single number. I click on it and it sent me a code on my mobile phone that I have this number associated in the phone. And well, I just got the code. Sometimes you get delayed, sometimes the code is not come so fast, and it is all just because of the server issues. So you don't need to worry, just click on the resend and it will be come just like is that I just did. There you go. And as you already see, the two-step verification is on my contact number, the number I just click on the verification. So this is the way that you can turn on the two-step verification in your Yahoo account. It's not a robot science or anything, okay? It's just the simple steps that you need to follow, uh, and you can turn or add an extra layer of security in your Google or in your Yahoo account as well. So just like it's that, and you got the two-step verification activated email from the Yahoo side. This one, as you already see, you have successfully activated the two-step verification in your Yahoo account. So if you wanted to turn on the two-step verification on your Zoho account, so what you need to do, you need to turn on the Chrome browser and just sign in on, just click on Zoho Mail, which comes with the mail.zoho.com. You need to sign in here, but just I just already used my email. That's it, because I already signed in here. So what I'm going to do, I need to click on this picture here and go to the My Accounts. There is an option multi-layer authentication. I need to click on it, and as you already see, it's written here mobile based OTP. I need to set up now and write my phone number. Click on India and click on next. Enter your phone number and I click on next. It sent me the OTP, the one-time password on my registered phone number, and I got that. So once it is, this OTP has been verified from the server side, and once it is verified, you can turn on your 2FA. I click on the verify, and it is written here that what you wanted to do: turn on all browser sessions, terminate all web and mobile app sessions, and terminate all API tokens. So I won't click on any of them, and I click on continue. And as you already see, that mobile based OTP or second verification or multi-factor authentication is being enabled on this. And if you wanted to add some another phone here, then you can click on it, and using the same step, like I have some another phone with me also, click on next. But it says that mobile number already configured as recovery number, but I am not going to use it on this same platform because I already having the same phone number as in recovery one, so I won't use it here. So like this way you can turn on your multi-factor authentication on Zoho mails. So in this section I'm going to show you how you can enable the two-step verification in your Microsoft account. So first of all, you need to open the website of Microsoft, where you need to sign in with your official email address and the password. Like I'm using my Chrome browser. So what I'm going to do, I need to log in with my official email address and password, and I need to type my login.live.com, which directly goes me to the Microsoft account, and I need to sign in here.
And as you already see, I'm successfully signed in because the URL has been changed. And at the top of the bar, you see a couple of options that are available here. So what I'm going to do, the same options are available here also. So what I'm going to do, either I need to click on this option, security, or either I'm going to click on this one. So what I'm going to do, I need to click on this one, security, and here you can see four options. Whereas all of these means the sign-in activities means it will note the every single activity where you are signed in, what time you are signing in this in your Microsoft account. So every track of your login activity is being taken care of by this section. Password security. If you wanted to change your Microsoft Outlook password, then you can go to this section and you can change it. This section comes with the 2FA, and if you wanted to disable the alerts, you wanted to change the primary, or you wanted to change your secondary email address for the verification purpose, so you need to click on this. So as we already know, I need to click on I need to turn on my 2FA. So what I'm going to do, I need to click on this advanced security option here. Now I'm going to verify my identity, and it will ask me to the code because I didn't use 2FA. So this is my test email account. So what I'm going to do, I need to just tap on here, and as you already see, I got the code. I need to just copy that and paste it here and verify. And yes, I'm in. As you already see here, two-step verification off, but I didn't have anything. There is no phone number exists. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to add my contact number here, and I need to click on this option, add a new way to sign in or verify. Here there are a couple of options. What I'm going to do, I need to click on text a code. Click on this, and as you already see, my region is in India. So what I'm going to do, I need to enter my phone number. This is also a test phone number. This is not my real number. And Microsoft sends me a code on this existing mobile number. And once you got the code in your message section, you just need to paste it here. So I didn't get any code from them right now. So what I'm going to do, I need to click on cancel. Now here you can see add security info. I need to click on this and drop down. I need to add a phone number, and I'm going to add the same number and click on next. Same here, got the code from them. Let's see I got it or not. Anyway, I can change my number also. Maybe I got some problem in this section, in this mobile number. Yes, there it comes. So once you verify your phone number here, this code is being verified. The text message that came from the Microsoft side, and once it is verified, you can see your phone number visible here. You can remove it from here also, but you don't need to remove it because we need to turn on the 2FA, which protect your account with an extra layer. If some unauthorized IP address, or you try to sign in with some other computer, it always going to ask a code. So what I'm going to do, I need to set up 2FA. I need to click on this section, click on next, and click on cancel because I didn't have the authenticator app, so I didn't use it, and next, and finish. And without asking me anything, it just turned on. The reason is that I already is been set up my phone number here, but I have to click on this receive alerts. That means whenever I'm supposed to log in, this phone number, the registered phone number, the Microsoft sends me a code on the following number, and once the code has been verified, then I'm able to sign in on my Microsoft Outlook. So by using this way, you can use the 2FA authentication app on your Microsoft account. This is very simple. It's not a robot science. So you can do it and secure your Microsoft accounts. As you saw, one by one, we turn on the two-step verification system on the email services that most of you are using. We urge you to turn on all of these so that you don't lose your control from your online assets and stay protected always. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time with more insights and new ways to stay ahead in the technical zone. Stay home and stay safe.